Hello friends, this video on number part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So now let us move further and let's talk about irregular noun plurals. Now, there are some nouns for which the vowels are replaced. So in this section, we will come across some nouns where the plural form is not written in the usual way. For example, you would see that in these nouns, the vowels are replaced. For example, the plural of man would be what? What do you think? Can you make some guesses? For example, you might feel that it could be mans, but that's not the case. So the plural form of man is actually men. So if you look at it carefully, you would see that the A has been replaced with an E. So the vowel is replaced basically, right? Let's look at more examples. What would be the plural of woman? So the plural of a woman is women. So here also if you see the vowel has been replaced. Similarly, if you take the example of tooth, so the plural of tooth is teeth. So here again the vowels are replaced. Foot, the plural would be feet. And here also the vowels are replaced. So you will actually come across a lot of nouns for which if you try to write their plurals, you would see that the vowels have been replaced. Everything else is the same. We do not add any prefix, we do not add any suffix. Everything remains the same. It is just that the vowels are replaced. So these are some examples where the vowels are replaced. Now let us look at some more examples where the plural forms are written in a very different way. For example, what is the plural of child? So the plural of child is children. So how did we write this? You see, we have added R-E-N at the end. So it's like a very different way of writing the plural. Similarly, what is the plural of person? So some people say that the plural would be persons, but the plural of person is also people. So these are two different words altogether. So people always refer to a group of persons, and person means one person, right? So people and person are two different words, but still they mean the same thing. It is just that people means many and person is just one. If you look at this word mouse, the plural here is mice. Again, you see a lot of changes, like we have replaced O-U-S with I-C. So we have almost created a very different word, isn't it? So all these are called irregular noun plurals because they do not follow a rule or they do not follow a pattern. Now, if I give you the word or if I give you the noun mouse and ask you to write its plural, until and unless you do not know that the plural of mouse is mice, you will never be able to guess it, right? Because it doesn't follow any specific rule. Like till now we were discussing about certain rules, like words ending with O, you add ES. Words ending with F, you add VES. So, but these words, they do not follow those kind of rules, and that is why they fall under the category of irregular noun plurals. Let's look at few more examples. Fungus is the singular form, but when you have many of them, then the plural is fungi. Similarly, if you have thesis, that is one thesis, but when you have many, then it becomes thesis. So that's how they are different. Phenomenon is a singular form, but when you are talking about too many phenomenon, then it becomes phenomena. Criterion is singular, but when you want to use it in plural, then it becomes criteria. So these were some examples of irregular noun plurals where you do not really have a specific set of rules which are followed by these nouns. Okay, so now, thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.